Hi, I'm Brian Westover with PC Mag, and we're here with Acer at CES 2023. Today we're looking at the Acer Swift line, which is getting some changes. For starters, the names have changed. Instead of the Swift 7, the Swift 3, we're now looking at the Swift Go, the standard Swift, and the Swift X. Let's talk about each of them. The one we're most excited about right now is probably the Swift Go. This comes in 14 and 16-inch sizes, but it also comes with an OLED display. In addition to that OLED display, it's also got IPS display options, and you've got great connectivity, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, etc. But there's also a cool trick with the webcam. Acer includes AI-driven enhancements that include things like background blur, noise reduction, and a really cool trick that makes you look like you're keeping eye contact with the camera, even if you glance down at the screen or the keyboard. The 14-inch model will begin selling in May for $849, and the 16-inch model comes in June, starting at $799. But this is not the only Swift we're looking at. The Swift 14 is their standard model, and they've got some really cool stuff going here. Machined aerospace aluminum, full unibody design, Corning Gorilla Glass on the screen. It's not only a touch screen, it also gets an antimicrobial layer, so it stays clean even as you touch and poke at it with your grubby fingers. It's an Intel Evo design, so you get great performance and great portability, and it's only 2.6 pounds, so nice and light, easy to carry. Finally, we've got the Acer Swift X14, which is a little more powerful than the other Swift models because in addition to Intel 13th Gen H-series processors, it also has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU inside. So now it's not gaming level graphics, it is creator level graphics. And this one is set up with all of NVIDIA Studio. It's NVIDIA Studio certified for various software, plus it's got enhancements and optimizations for all those creative tools you can use. In addition, it's got this beautiful OLED display, 2880 by 1800 resolution, and it's also got an enhanced thermal management system to handle the extra hardware. So better heat piping, better ventilation, better fans. The Acer Swift X14 will be available this April, starting at $1099. We look forward to getting all of these into the lab for testing and review, so stick with us for PC Mag at CES 2023.